Several years ago, there was this program, and the program was called 24 Hours. And the most interesting thing about this show, aside from its premise, was that it had a running clock similar to the one you see here behind me. And this running clock ran in each episode. So you felt every moment, you felt every minute, and every second mattered because where the character of the show was running against the clock, you actually got to see the clock. And this is so important in our path towards accomplishing what we want to accomplish this year. Because time, as you can see, it doesn't stop. Time continues on. So exactly what is it that changed when the date on the calendar changed? What is it that changed when midnight struck? It should have been your mindset. It should have been your actions. It should have been your attitude. It should have been all of that. It should have been that everything that you were working on last year built up to this new year. And so as you pass the 24-hour mark, the 48-hour mark, as you pass that new year feeling, you're going to settle into this year. And it's important that you begin to do so with the proper actions. Have you ever bought a brand new car, or at least even new to you, and it has a distinct new car smell? The fact of the matter is eventually that may fither out. It's going to get the aroma of maybe the perfume or cologne that you wear, right? It's going to change. And what you need to do is that while that new car smell of the new year is fading away, make sure that you're heading to the appropriate destination. Make sure that everything is aligned so that you can actually accomplish what it is that you wish to. In fact, I encourage you, as opposed to saying day one, begin to look at 365 days and say, okay, 364, 363, 362, 361. Begin a countdown. This is the time, not a race against the clock. But don't ignore the clock, because just as that show 24, we all have only 24. And as you can see behind me, the clock don't stop.